Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Savannah Phillips. Welcome. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe, hit that thumbs up for me. Today we are going to be talking about rolling your leggings. I don't know about you, but I know I have a ton of leggings and there's just so many, they're hard to keep track of. So today we're going to talk about rolling your leggings into a cute little burrito. I know personally, I love doing this for my kids' closets because you know, kids, you like fold up their laundry, stick it in their drawer, and the next thing you know, it's everywhere. So when I roll their leggings, it's perfect because they just got all these little burritos in their drawer. It's easy to see the print and it's just a lot neater. So we're gonna talk about rolling our leggings today. It makes a cute little burrito, nice and easy. You can toss them in a basket in the bottom of your closet or whatnot. So any pair of leggings will do. Our particular leggings have that yoga waistband. So it's got the print here and the print here. So if you have the yoga waistband leggings, that works the best because you can see the print. If you don't, it should still work just the same. But you have your pair of leggings, take your yoga waistband and roll it down. That's probably the trickiest part. So you're like, oh man, this is gonna be tricky. Really, rolling your band is probably the trickiest part. So you've got your leggings rolled down, tag sticking out, no big deal. Once you have your leggings rolled, fold them back in half. Nice and neat. And some people are like, man, that takes too long. I'm doing it nice and slow so you get the hang of it. But when I'm doing laundry, it's super easy to roll them up and throw them in their baskets. So I've got the folded over band here, my leggings. I'm gonna fold it up in half. If you wanna tuck it into the band, you can. You don't have to, either way works. So now you've got your band folded over, then folded in half, and I tucked it up under there. From here, you leave the band on this side and roll up this side all the way to the top. So you've got it rolled up, but if you put it in the drawer like this, it's still gonna make a mess. Take your rolled over waistband and pull it over the rest of your leggings. Super, super easy, nice and neat. Toss it in the bin, totally fine. So my kids prefer it this way. You can still see the print really good and you're not making a mess. In their drawer, I can have 15, 20 of these and they can throw them around their drawer. Not a big deal, they're not making a mess. So I prefer it this way when you're doing laundry. It's very, very quick. A couple people have asked if it stretches out the waistband. Our particular leggings don't stretch out like that. So if you have LuLaRoe leggings, I haven't had a problem with mine stretching out. I don't know if other leggings might, but mine don't. So one more time really fast. You've got your leggings, roll them down. And honestly, like, it doesn't have to be pretty when you're doing that. Sometimes I get going really fast and that waistband isn't pretty to start. But then you've just got them rolled up, toss them in the bin, nice and easy. So if you have any questions, leave the comments down below. I'll do my best to help you out on that. Otherwise, if you want to join us for more fun, we do go live here several times a week to show our inventory, and our shopping link will be down below as well. We have thousands of pairs of leggings. If you'd like to get some leggings, we have kid sizes all the way up to plus sizes. So if you have any questions, let me know. If you need any help, let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.